Good afternoon class, this is lecture number 3rd. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the exercise 5b. So first question is, we have to just replace the greater than or less than sign, okay, to make the statement true. So first question is 3 by 10 and 4 by 11. So for that, if you compare two fraction, we have to take the LCM of both of the fraction. So LCM of the fraction is 10 into 11. Okay, now we have to multiply 3 into 11 upon 10 into 11 and 4 into 10 upon 11 into 10. Okay, now this is 33 upon 110 and this is 40 upon 100. So this number is greater than. So we can say that 4 by 11 is greater than 3 by 2. Fifth part, 10 by 11 and 11 by 19. LCM of 11 and 19 is 10 into 19 upon 11 into 19, and here 11 into 11 upon 19 into 11. LCM of this is 209 and above it is 190. Okay, here 121 upon 209. So this is greater than 10 by 11 is greater than 11 by 9. Now question number second, same ascending order and descending order in the third question. Plus we have to just take the LCM of in each of the question. Okay, question number second part, 2 by 3, 1 by 4, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. LCM of this number is 12, so we have to convert all these numbers as the denominator 12. So first 1 by 4 into 3, so 1 into 3, then 5 into 2, 6 into 2, and here no change, just multiply by 12. So 7 by 12, 10 upon 12, 3 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. Okay, so we have to convert the arrange the number in the ascending order. So first one is 3 by 12, so 3 by 12 means 1 by 4, so 1 by 4. Then second one is 8 by 12, 8 by 12 means 2 by 3. Okay, then we have 10 by 12, 10 by 12 means 5 by 6. Next we have 7 by 12. So these are in the ascending order. Now the fourth part, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 9 by 11 and 11 upon 20. LCM of 6, 8 and 24 is 24 and 11, 24 into 11. There is no common, so we can take LCM as 24 into 11. Sorry student, this is question number, this is question number fourth part actually. Okay, so in this question we have to convert this in the descending order. Okay, 11. So LCM of 11 and 24 is 24 into 11. So 24 into 11 is 264. Okay, so for 264, so 5 upon 6 into, okay, 7 into 8 into, then 9 into upon 11 into this. Okay, 11 into 24, 11 upon 24. We have to multiply this number 6 by 6 into 4. 6 into 4 means 24, then 11. So 24 into 11. So multiply by 44. Okay, why it is? Because first of all we have to make it 24. So multiply by 4, then 11. So 4 into. Then here we have to multiply 3. 3 into 11 means 33. Now here 24 and here 11. Okay, now 44 into 5. 44 into 5 is 220. So 220 upon 264. Okay. Now 33 into 7. 231 upon 264. Next we have 24 into 9. 2016 upon 264. Then we have 11 into 11. 121 upon 264. Now we have to arrange these in the descending order, because question number 3 is arrange in the descending order. Okay. So for descending order, first one is 231, then second 220, third, then fourth. So fourth one is in the same order. So 11 by 24 is in the same place. Then we have first, second and third. Third is in the same order. Third again 9 by 11 is again in the same order. Then we have 7 by 8. 7 by 8 at the first position, because this is 231. So 7 by 8. Then we have 5 by 6. So these are in the descending order of the list. Okay. This is the question based on the ascending order, and this is the question based on the descending order. Similarly, you have to do the remaining part of the question number 2nd and 3rd. Okay. Now the question are very easy to find out the to arrange in the ascending and descending order. Just you have to take the LCM. Okay. Question number 4. In an IPL cricket tournament, Mumbai Indians won 15 out of 16, means 15 by 16 of the matches it played, and Gujarat Lions won 3 by 4 of the matches. Which team has better record? Okay. Just the only way to compare the two fraction is they take LCM, then just compare their numerator. Okay. It's a very simple way. Okay. Question number 4. Mumbai Indians won 15 by 16. Okay. And Gujarat Lions won. Now Gujarat Lions is out of the IPL. Gujarat Lions 3 by 4. Okay. The fraction of winning the Mumbai Indians is 15 by 16, and that of this is 12. We can convert this number in the same like fraction. For like fraction, we can convert this as 16, and this is 12. So the ratio of the fraction of Mumbai Indian is greater than the Gujarat. Okay. Question is very simple. Just you have to convert both in the like fraction. Okay. Now, Sonam spent 8 by 11 of her income and saved the rest. Mahi spent 9 by 11 of her income and saved the rest. Which girl saved the greater part of her income? Okay. Sonam spent 8 by 11 of her income. Okay, for this question, we have an example. If my income is 10 rupees per day, okay, 10 rupees per day, and I spent 4 rupees out of 10. Okay, I spent 4 rupees out of 10. So I can say that 4 by 10, I spent 4 by 10, and remaining 6 by 10 is the saving of my income. Okay, this is the saving and this is expenditure or I spent. Okay, 4 by 10 means 2 by 5, and 6 by 10 means 3 by 5. So I save 3 by 5 of my salary, and 2 by 5 of salary is my expenditure. So here we have 8 by 11 of her income is spent by Sonam. So it means 2 by 5 if 2 by 5 is spent, so we can say that 1 minus 2 by 5 is the saving. Okay, 1 by 5, 2 by 5 means 5 minus 2. 5 by 5, 1 is 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5, so 3 by 5 is saving. This is 3 by 5. Similarly, we can find out the saving of the Sonam savings. So first of all, we have to find out the savings of Sonam. That is 1 minus 8 by 11. 11 minus 8, that is 3 by 11. Now, this is just for example. Now second one, Mahi spends how much? 8 by 11 of her income. Sorry student, 9 by 11. 9 by 11 of her income. So savings of Mahi. So Mahi Sonam's or Mahi's savings is 1 minus 9 by 11, that is 2 by 11. So which girl save more? Sonam save more than the Mahi because 3 by 11 and 2 by 11. Okay. Now the question number 6. Question number 6. 4 by 5 of 40. Very simple. These are very simple question. Question number 6, second part. 4 by 13 of rupees 52. Cancel this with this. 4. So this is rupees 16. 4 by 13 of 52 is 16. Fourth part. 6 by 21 of 84 minutes. I think minutes, yes, minutes. Okay, 21 into 4, 84. So 6 4s are 24 minutes. Now next one is 11 by 90 of means multiply. Okay, 11 by 5 of 4500 ml. 6 part. 0 cancel with 0. 9 5 is 45 and 1 0. Okay. So 11 5 is 55, 0 550. Okay, rest of the part in the question number 6 are your homework. And okay, this is enough. Thank you so much. Question number 2 and 3 remaining part also are your homework. First, second, third. Thank you so much. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss the question number exercise 5C. Okay, thank you.